Hi everybody, welcome to ePrime for this evening. I'm Daedran. Chris Brown and Vybz Kartel's collab makes Billboard charts. The track, which was featured on Brown's recently released project, debuted at number 39 on the Billboard Hot R&B Hip Hop Songs chart. Now the collaboration also debuted at number 22 on Billboard's R&B Songs chart. Meanwhile, the Grammy winner's 12th studio album Brown charts at number 7 on the all-genre Billboard 200 albums chart, number 3 on the Hip Hop R&B albums chart, number 19 on top album sales, and number 4 on top streaming albums chart. Now on the international scene, Michael Jackson's Billie Jean is back at number 1 more than 4 decades after its release. The classic hit tops Billboard's Global 200 chart this week, fueled in part by renewed interest from the new Michael Jackson biopic. The song climbed from number 65 just 3 weeks ago and now leads the chart after more than 51 million global streams in a single week. Billie Jean also sets a new record for the longest climb to number 1 on the Global 200 chart, reaching the top in its 144th week on the list. Billie Jean was originally released on Jackson's Thriller album in late 1982. It dominated the US Billboard Hot 100 for 7 weeks. Hee-hoo. Taylor Swift, Beyonce, and the 1993 video game classic Doom share an important distinction. All three are among the 25 sounds inducted into the 2026 National Recording Registry of the Library of Congress. More from the CNN.
Shake it out, shake it out, shake it out. All the single ladies, all the single ladies, all the single ladies.
Check this out. Those modern masterpieces from Taylor Swift and Beyonce, they're part of a group receiving a prestigious honor. Taylor Swift's album 1989 and Beyonce's single Single Ladies are among 25 sounds inducted into the 2026 National Recording Registry of the Library of Congress. A slew of eclectic classics dating back to 1944 also made the list. Some of the hits include 1954's Fly Me to the Moon by Kay Ballard, the timeless 1959's Put Your Head on My Shoulder from Paul Anka.
Put your head on my shoulder.
We've also got Jose Feliciano's 1970 Christmas carol Feliz Navidad, 1973's Midnight Train to Georgia by Gladys Knight and the Pips, Go Rest High on That Mountain from Vince Gill, and Weezer's The Blue Album. A couple quintessential sounds also made the cut. The iconic broadcast audio from the fight of the century, Ali vs. Frazier.
This might shock and amaze you, but I will retire Joe Frazier.
And for us 90s video game lovers, the 1993 Doom soundtrack.
That's it for ePrime this evening. I'm Daedran. Thank you so much for watching. Be safe.